Hello friends and welcome to BISP Solutions. So we were discussing about the Oracle Fusion financials. So in the last session we have discussed about the rapid implementation. So today we will see our charts of account in the rapid implementation sheet. So let's, without further ado, let's go to our application and I'll show you in the previous session what we did. So in the previous session we have uploaded the rapid implementation sheet. Okay, whatever we have done by the manual process in the last session, we have covered all that manual process in the rapid implementation sheet. So today I'll show you the rapid implementation sheet, whatever we have done. So we'll go on schedule new process. It is just I'm showing you. Okay, no need to worry, I'm just showing you. Select our charts of account, that is BISP. See, we have two accounting flex field. This BISP accounting flex is of our project number 1. This BISP 2 is our project number 2. Okay, so this we have made because I wanted to explain you from the rapid implementation. This I have made through manual process. Okay, so now it is time to show you from rapid implementation sheet. So I will select BISP 2. Click on submit. Okay, so our process number 490. So now let me show you the report. You see, we have mid chart of account, segment, value set, company, cost center, GL account, project, future one, ledger, legal entity, business unit. You will see charts of account, BISP 2. These are our segments: company, cost center, GL account, project, future. Okay, we have given segment code. Okay, column name, segment 1, segment 2, prompt, company, cost center, display width. Okay, required also we have done manually, but now directly we have done displayed. Okay, here value sets we have given. Okay, independent character that we have put manually but through rapid implementation sheet. Then company, information of the company, cost center, information of the cost center. Okay, this is our GL account. GL account is little bit longer. Then this is our project. This is our project. Okay, this is our future. Feature LOB, ledger, legal entities and business units. This we have completed through a rapid implementation sheet. So now I'll move to our project number 2. Okay, so close it. Now what we will do, whatever data we have prepared from rapid implementation sheet, that data we will assign from our business unit and primary ledger. Okay, so let me show you. So go to our project, manage implementation project. We have 2 projects here. Okay, BISP second, that is through rapid implementation sheet. BISP 1 through manual process. So manual process I have explained you. Now I am explaining you from rapid implementation sheet. So click on it and search for the task. So now what we are going to do, we are going to assign our primary ledger. So the task is manage primary ledger. Manage primary ledger. Manage primary ledger. Click on it. Search our primary ledger. That is BISP. So we have 2 primary ledger. So we'll select this one. This is because rapid implementation. Okay. Click on done. You see. Now here it will come BISP2, BISP2, BISP2. Wait. Now let me specify the ledger option. Select and add, apply and go, search. This is our primary ledger, BISP2. BISP2, save and close. Okay. Okay, save and close. You see BISP2 now it is coming. As we have assigned legal entity to our primary ledger. Now one more, that is review and submit accounting configuration. Okay, so select this and submit. So now we have assigned our legal entity to our primary ledger, okay, our business unit to primary ledger, and we have submitted the accounting configuration. So this is through a rapid implementation sheet. Now what we are going to do, now we'll open our project number 1, because all the process till here, all the process we have completed manually. Okay, we have completed manually. This many process we have completed manually. Primary ledger, specify ledger option, review and submitting. Manage legal address manually we have done. Legal entity we have made. Legal entities also we have assigned legal entities. We have seen the balancing segment value to legal entities, that also we have assigned. Now what LDG group also we have made, and we have assigned our legislative data group to legal entity also. We have created the employee user also. We have converted our employee user as a supplier. Now what general accounting also we have done, account combination also we have done through manual process we have done. So I'll take you to my project number 1. First once again we will see the payment process from project number 1, then I'll take you to the automation we'll do in the project number 2. So let's move to our project. Click on done. Now open our project. Now today we will explore payables and procurement. Okay, so let me open my project number 1, BISP implementation 2, that is rapid implementation sheet. This is manually. So first I'll go manually, then I will explain you through rapid implementation sheet. Click on this. Search for manage common options for payables and procurement. Click on it. Manage common option for payables and procurement. So we'll configure some, we are going to configure some options. So we'll have to select our business unit. So business unit name is select and add. So our business unit name is BISP. We will search BISP. We have two business unit, BISP Dallas and BISP 2 business unit. So select anyone. Save and close. Okay. So you see the distribution set. Already we have liability, prepayment. Okay. Now let cancel. Let's see this option by manual process. Once again I have to click on it. This data, why this data is coming automatically filled? Because we have selected our business unit second. Okay, second business unit is of rapid implementation sheet. Otherwise I would have shown you. We can select the liability from here. Okay, click on it. We can select the liability account. We can select the liability account from here. Okay, accounts, select GL account, search for the liability account. Okay, from prepayment also you can search from here, same process. Okay, so if you want me to add manually, I can add manually also. For example, let me show you. For example, I am choosing liability account, accounts payable already selected. Otherwise what I would have done, I'll click on search. Okay, in the description and click on search. Loan advance contains accounts payable. Since it is already selected, so it is not coming, but you can select the liability account in the same way. Okay, this is the conversion rate. Okay, discount taken. Okay, miscellaneous you can take, you can choose the account. Other value are default. We have set project future, we have set the default values, but for account we have not set any default values, so we can select account from here one by one. Okay, we can select GL account one by one. What is liability, prepayment, okay, miscellaneous account, everything we can select from here. So this we have done through rapid implementation sheet. We have chosen the second business unit, that is why this data is coming filled. Okay, otherwise we can fill it manually also. Now since this data is already here, what should I do? Okay, so we'll go for the next task. Since the data is already here, so no need of filling the data. Okay, this data is already here. So now what my next task is, so I'll assign manage payment terms. Okay, so our next task is manage payment terms. Okay, so now what are the methods for payment? Okay, a reference data set we are going to create. We'll see manually, then by the rapid implementation sheet. So first I will show you manually. So manage payment terms. I'll go to my project, save and close. So for payment option, we will configure the payment terms. Manage payment terms. So we'll create the payment terms. In what mode we are going to pay? Okay, immediately we are going to pay, so we'll create immediate pay terms. Okay, these are the payment terms. These all are the payment terms you see. Okay, so net 7 means you are going to pay in net 7 days. Okay, net 61 one of us have made payment due in 60 days. So we'll make one payment term. So give the name, that is BISP. Let's say immediate payment term. We have to pay immediate. So immediate pay terms. Let me search my reference data set. Or we can create our reference data set from here. So let's say there is an immediate payment term, there is no installment because immediate we are paying, so there is no installment. Okay, so if you want to give discounts, you can add discounts. Okay, that I'll show you when I'll make the second payment terms. I'll show you the discount also. Okay, day of month, then percentage of discount on days. Okay, on the second discount and on the third discount. Okay, so let me cancel and let me create the reference data set, and then we will create the payment terms. Okay, so first we are creating, before creating manage payment term, we need to create the reference data set. Okay, that is why it is not showing data set. So don't forget to make a reference data set. Okay, so first we'll make the reference data set, then the manage the payment terms, whether we are going to pay immediately or we are going to pay after 1 month, after 6 months, after 2 years, so that we will manage the payment terms. So let's create the reference data set. So go to our project, setup and maintenance. Implementation project. So search the task for making a reference data set, that is manage reference data sets. We'll go manage reference data set. So we'll create So I'll give the code, that is BISP reference data set, RDS. BISP reference data save and close. So we have made a reference data set. Now we will set the payment terms, in which terms you are going to pay. Okay, so the next task is manage payment terms. Click on it, create our payment terms. Manage payment terms, click on it and create our payment terms. So give the name, that is, if I am going to pay immediately, so I will create BISP immediate payment. Okay, description is not mandatory, and it belongs to which data set, which reference data set. So click on it, search for BISP. Now it is coming, BISP RDS. BISP reference data set. See, installment also is coming now. We can give the installment, due percentage, amount due, calendar we can select. This I'll show you in the next task. Okay, save and close. Okay, let's say immediate payment. So if we have opened, then I'll make the another payment terms, that is suppose I have to make payment in 45 days. Okay, suppose I'll pay in next 45 days, so I'll manage payment terms of 45 days. So I'll change the name, I'll make it BISP net 45. Name you can give anything. Okay, so I'm giving the name that I'm in net 45 days I'm going to pay. Okay, so now if I want to pay in installment, so suppose 10%, say due percent is 100%. Okay, 100% amount is due. Okay, so in how many days you are going to pay? In 45 days I am going to pay. So like this we can. Okay, so if there is any discount, then suppose in 10 days if I will give the payment, I will get 10% of discount. Okay, if the supplier will pay in 10 days, we'll give them 10% discount. Okay, 5% discount if pays on 20 days. Okay, 2% of discount when it pays in 30 days. Okay, and now we will assign this payment to our reference data set. This already we have assigned. So save and close. So one payment term we have made, that we are going to pay, or supplier is going to pay, we are going to pay to supplier to net 45 days. Okay, like this we can make many payment terms as per the requirement. Okay friends, so let me make another payment term. So I am creating another payment term. Let's say different installment. BISP, I'll pay in 5 days. Okay, I'll pay in 10 days. I'll pay in 2 days. I'll explain this, what I'm doing. I'll explain. Let me do. Okay, so let's say the installment. So if due 25%, I will pay in 5 days. Okay, remaining 25 will be paid on 10 days, and 50% will be paid on 15 days. That is why I have given the name 5, 10 and 15. So if this due amount would be given in certain days. So this payment term we can make. Don't forget to assign with the our reference data set. Okay. Again, BISP RBS. So if I want to give discount, we can have the discount also. So this is how we make payment terms. Okay. So we have made two payment terms. Okay. Likewise, we can make many payment terms as per the requirement of the client. So right now I am making only two payment terms, and one let me make immediate payment terms, so that immediately we have to pay. Okay. So immediately I have to pay. Immediately I will not get any discount. Okay, so just assign to our BISP saving flows. So immediately I will pay 100% and days would be 0. That is why I say immediate payment term and days would be 0. Click save and close. So we have made payment 3 payment term. BISP immediately, if we have to pay immediately, if different days, and if in net 45 days. So like this you can, but don't forget to assign this with the reference data set. Okay. So now so these are the payment terms. Okay, we have 3: BISP, 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 and these rest of the payment terms. So suppose I want to assign this to my reference data set, net monthly account. What I will do, I will assign to my BISP. Likewise, we can assign any payment terms to our reference data set. Okay, there are some seeded payment terms also that we can assign directly to our reference data set. So this is how it works. Click on transfer. So now we are going to manage our business unit set assignment. Okay. go to task. Though it is not case sensitive, let me try. Let's see. Only one silly mistake, we are not able to find our task. So manage business unit set assignments. That means what we are going to do, we are going to assign our IDs. What we are going to do in this task, we are going to assign our RDS to business unit. Okay, that is why we are managing business unit set assignments. So let's move to the instance. Manage business unit set assignments. Search payable terms. In payable terms, this common set, we can assign our BISP RDS. Okay. Now save and close. So now we have assigned this reference data set to our business unit. Okay, so today what we have seen? Today we have seen the rapid implementation that in the previous session we have done, and we have seen the charts of account is uploaded there. Then I came back to my project number 1. This manual process I have shown you in my project number 1. In project number 2, I'll show you automation process. Okay, so wait for the next session. There we will do the we'll see the automatic process. So till then, thank you so much for joining this webinar. Let's meet on